hobbies, and I'm in Bambu Studio right now watching a dinosaur being made right here. And we're going to go up to help, and it doesn't say. I'm going to click on here first. I to get this. So click on help and check for updates. We're going to do that later. We're going to check for updates and see if there's any updates for Bambu Studio. I'm hoping to get some good ones. So stay tuned, okay? Help. Click on that. Let's go up to help. Check for updates. This is the newest version that you have. Okay? That's good. Let's check for update presets. Configuration is up to date. That's good. Well, then we're up to date, guys.